The blizzard left the land frozen, and the fences buried. In snow this deep, even the strongest defenders move slowly.
But the wolves had a plan.
Drive our bulldozer straight to the fence!
Deep snow, even the strongest search for food. Boars plow forward, wolves follow, and the trench they carve becomes a road to the flock.
Control, we've got a breach. Trench cut straight through the fence. Wolves inbound. Hold the line. Keep them away from the flock.
Hold the line. Keep them away from the flock.
Don't stop. Swing right.
Swing right.
Broken fence ahead. Move. I'll hold them.
In winter, the wolves take only what they need and hide the rest for the days ahead.
Salute, bulldozer. You served well.
Multiple hostiles retreating. I repeat, retreating.
A pair of sheep and 2 wild boar. Enough to keep the pack fed for many nights. Engaging the pack vanished into the forest, leaving their hidden larders behind until hunger calls again.
Machines fought to blind and disorient the pack, buying precious seconds.
This time the flock was spared, but winter is long and the hunters will return.